How to turn off auto update offline maps on Google Maps. Very easy and fast. So all what you have to do, go to Google Maps. This is the home page. Now click on the top corner on your profile picture. Now click on the offline maps option right here. And now go to the top corner and click on this little icon here in the top. After you click on it, it will take you to this page, and right here you will find auto update offline maps, and you can turn it off just from here. Very easy and fast, as you can see. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later.